are currently at Jantar Mantar, and as you can see behind me, this is the entire environment with respect to the Cockroach Janata Party protesting against, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan for his resignation. And as you can see behind me, the update currently is that Abhijit Dipke, the founder of CJP, has announced that he is sitting on the hunger strike. We have seen that how just few hours back, Sonam Wangchuk, as he was sitting on the hunger strike, and today is his 21st day of hunger strike, he has been shifted to Safdarjung Hospital. We did see a lot of Delhi police officials coming at the spot to take Sonam Wangchuk to the hospital because his health was deteriorating. We have also seen that previously High Court had ordered that Sonam Wangchuk's health should be monitored properly and that proper medical assistance should be given and provided to him. And today, as his health deteriorated, he was taken to Safdarjung Hospital where the doctors are currently examining his health and checking his vitals. The crowd at the Jantar Mantar remains the same. However, the police officials have now garnered near the entire protest site. You can see a lot of police officials over here. They are taking pictures and maintaining the entire safety of the protest site. The Delhi police had also earlier given out a statement that we are making sure that this entire protest remains peaceful, and this is the entire environment near the Jantar Mantar area. Let me show you the visuals around here. This is the place where the protest is happening, where all the protesters from the Cockroach Janata Party are sitting on the stage. There are a lot of people who are present at this spot with flags. However, there are more officials also present here so that the protest could go on peacefully. And near this very entire area, you can see that the entire area has been barricaded. Police officials and other officials are now joining in so that the entire safety of this protest can be maintained. Sonam Wangchuk is currently in the hospital and the doctors are checking his vitals. Abhijit Dipke and CJP had earlier said that we will march towards the parliament with a slogan of Parliament Chalo. Currently, we'll have to see how the protest is moving forward because the main concern regarding this entire protest is Sonam Wangchuk's health. But now Abhijit Dipke has also sat on the stage with, saying that he will be now continuing the hunger strike. We'll have to see how the situation moves forward ahead of the entire monsoon session. This very same hospital where Sonam Wangchuk has been admitted after his health deteriorated. Let me show you the visuals around me. This is the Safdarjung Hospital, and as you can see that there is heavy police deployment here. Police security personnel are here at the very Safdarjung Hospital, and behind me is the emergency ward, this very same ward where Sonam Wangchuk has been admitted. Earlier in the day, he was picked up from that protest site because his health deteriorated, and after High Court's order on Thursday that his health should be supervised and that the center should do everything possible to make sure that Sonam Wangchuk is okay. Today, finally, he was taken to the Safdarjung Hospital on the grounds of his health deteriorating, and currently we are here at this very hospital where you can see that a lot of police personnel, so security personnel have been deployed, while on the other side at the very Jantar Mantar protest site, the CJP workers are now moving forward. They have announced that Abhijit Dipke, who is the founder of the CJP, will now carry forward the hunger strike. He has said that he will be continuing the hunger strike. Of course, we'll have to see how this entire protest moves forward, also because the CJP has said that on 20th of July they will be moving towards the parliament. Currently, Sonam Wangchuk is present here and his vitals are being checked. Of course, the Safdarjung Hospital has given out a statement that Sonam Wangchuk is doing okay currently and he is under strict medical supervision. So that is the update coming out from the Safdarjung Hospital where Sonam Wangchuk is admitted. 21st day of hunger strike. We'll have to see how this entire protest moves forward, especially after Sonam Wangchuk has been admitted to the hospital on the grounds of his health deteriorating.
ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट के आदेशानुसार और हेल्थ कंडीशंस और एक्सपर्ट मेडिकल एडवाइस के मद्देनज़र श्री सोनम वांगचुक जी को यहाँ से सरकारी अस्पताल उनके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए शिफ्ट किया गया है और किसी तरह का कोई लाठीचार्ज वगैरह बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया गया है।
For over 25 years, CNBC TV18 has been the guiding force for investors, steering them through the markets.
Start your trading day with cutting-edge insights and expert analysis.
Seize every opportunity by decoding the forces that drive the market.
Equip yourself with strategies and guidance from India's biggest market mavens.
Invest with confidence as we beam live from the CNBC TV18 Motilal Oswal studio.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.